Greetings dear friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Vlad Teep, and today in this video I will tell you about and show you a method by which you can easily, quickly and most importantly safely earn passive income through liquid staking of the Hyperliquid token. In this video we will go through all the main points. I will show you how to access the platform, how to connect your wallet, how to make a deposit into staking and how to withdraw rewards from staking. Well then, let's not waste any time and get straight to the point. Let me say right away that this method works on absolutely any device, whether it's a computer or a mobile phone. All you need to do is open any web browser and search for it. This is the website called HyperStake. For your convenience, the link I will leave it in the pinned comment under the video, so look for it there. By following the link, we land on this website and here we can stake our Hype tokens. What's the coolest thing about this? In the whole project, it's that your tokens never leave your possession. You make a deposit in Hype tokens and you receive staked Hype. The Hype token can be used for various purposes. To access your personal account, click the Launch Up button. Next, in your account, it asks you to connect a Web3 wallet. I'll say right away that you need to have Hype tokens in your wallet, for example, in MetaMask, like I do. That's the one I'll be connecting today. Click on MetaMask. In the window that appears, click the Connect button. Then return to the website. And now our wallet is being authorized. Now you'll need to confirm a few things, and then we can start staking. In the window that appears, click Confirm and then click Confirm again. And now we've entered the personal account. As you can see, our entire balance has been pulled in here. Right now we have 1066.23 Hype tokens and we can start staking. The staking process here is very simple. Just enter the amount you want to stake in the amount field. Let me show you an example by staking some tokens, 1000 Hype tokens. Then click the Stake Hype button. And there you go, friends. We now have exactly 1000 Hype tokens staked. As you can see, we immediately received 955 Saint Hype tokens. Let's go to the wallet now, refresh it, and check. Yes, as you can see, the Saint Hype tokens have appeared in our account. Basically, that's how staking works here. Now we can either wait for a few days, or we can withdraw this amount right away. That is, basically there are no locks here, there are no time restrictions, and the amount can be withdrawn immediately. However, I won't withdraw it right now. I'll probably wait a couple of days and see what happens. I'll also show you how to withdraw and what the result will be. Well friends, hello again to everyone. For you, only a second has passed, but for me, it's already been about 3 days. So, let me now show you how to actually withdraw rewards from the HyperStake project. In fact, it's all very simple here. We go to the website again, enter our personal account, and authorize our wallet. So, as you can see, my position of 1000 Hype is still there, but now it shows here, look, auto-compounded rewards, 5.51. That's 1/100th of a Hype token, which is $364 in just 3 days. Alright, let's withdraw them now and take another look at our rewards. Yes, here they were credited to us on the 27th, 28th, and 29th. Let's make a withdrawal now. On the main page, just click Unstake and select the maximum number of ST Hype tokens. As you can see, for the 955 tokens we received at the start, we'll get 1005.51 Hype tokens. Click the Unstake Hype button. The process has started and our position has disappeared. Well, now we just wait for our tokens to arrive in MetaMask. And yes, friends, the Hype tokens have successfully arrived in our balance. As you can see, everything is in place. And that's just great. This is the kind of liquid staking platform I demonstrated to you today, and I hope this video was useful for you. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. There is still a lot of interesting content ahead for you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.